Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to share top 5 applications of Python, artificial intelligence, and machine learning in finance and the banking industries. So what really is AI and ML? AI, the science that empowers computers to mimic human intelligence, such as decision making, reasoning, text processing, and visual perception. AI, the broader general field that entails several subfields, such as machine learning, robotics, and computer vision. Artificial intelligence market worldwide is projected to grow by $284 billion, driven by a compounded growth of 43.9%. So let's get started with the first application. Robo Advisors. Artificial intelligence and machine learning have become really powerful in providing investment advice to customers. Robo advisors are financial advisors that do not entail human intervention and are based purely on algorithms and mathematical formulas, such as artificial neural networks. Robo advisors work by consuming client current financial status, target expected return, risk appetite, and financial and life goals, and automatically provide accurate financial advice, such as portfolio allocation. Essentially, how much do I need to invest in bonds, stocks, real estate, and ETFs? Betterment and Wealthfront are two of the top investment companies that rely on robo-advisors to provide financial advice to their clients. These robo-advisors are trained using millions of clients' data, and since they continuously learn and adapt, they will be indispensable tool for banks and financial institutions. The second application is robotic process automation. Python and machine learning are being widely adopted in finance to automate various processes to reduce time and cost. Process automation could be in a form of paperwork automation, chatbots, and customer service automation. Natural language processing techniques are being leveraged to extract useful information from documents, perform topic modeling, understand customer sentiments from tweets and news, respond to customers' queries, and process legal documents. Robotic process automation is crucial for banks and financial institutions because it can dramatically improve efficiency and reduce cost. And the third application is fraud detection and security. Machine learning could be used to automatically detect fraudulent transactions, detect suspicious transactions on customer accounts, and stop transactions until further information is acquired from the customer. Machine learning classifier models are being trained on millions of fraudulent and non-fraudulent transactions with a goal to ensure prediction accuracy and reduce false positives and false negative predictions. For example, Amazon Web Services, or AWS, offers a fully managed service known as Amazon Fraud Detector that uses machine learning to detect fraudulent transactions in real time. Using Amazon Fraud Detector allows companies to easily deploy the service at scale without the need to build, train, and deploy AI and ML models from scratch. Check it out using the link below. The fourth application is high-frequency trading. AI and machine learning are used to analyze historical stock prices data, extract news sentiment, current market trends, and predict future price movements of securities. Algorithmic trading models are being trained to execute thousands of buy-sell trades at a fraction of a second, which is known as high-frequency trading. Two strategies work very well with securities trading. First is deep neural networks that rely on artificial neural networks, specifically using long short-term memory networks, or LSTM networks for short, can work really well with high-frequency trading. The second strategy is known as reinforcement learning, in which an agent is placed in an environment with a goal to maximize cumulative reward. The fifth application is insurance and loans underwriting. Insurance companies and banks rely on machine learning to assess clients' risk and decide if the client qualifies for a loan or insurance policy based on his or her features, such as historical data, credit score, income, and debt amount. These algorithms are being trained with millions of data points to automatically perform credit worthiness assessment with machine learning, with minimum to no human intervention. And that's all I have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks, and see you next week.